Fly Like a Bird, Mariah Carey. Actually, before I get to this reaction, let me say this. Go and watch the You're Still the Only One. You're still the one I love. Oh wait, I don't remember what. You're still the only one. Yeah, that's. Go and react. I just finished reacting to this. Go and watch the reaction to this, bro. Please, please. That video is crazy. I probably, bro. This guy has come so close to making me cry. He's come this close to making me cry. One of these days, he's gonna make me cry. This is the try not to cry challenge with Gabriel Henrique, bro. Try not to cry challenge. Now, this is Mariah Carey. I don't know her songs except for the Christmas songs, but yeah, let's go. Oh. Ooh.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know our heart is clearly free of all returns of cheese and so grand, because I feel that unconditional love. The one who cares enough for me. True it is in my birthday, let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. Don't let the earth break me tonight. I need you, stranger, you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
He's definitely a better singer than Mariah Carey, bro. I don't need to hear Mariah Carey sing, but I know he's way better than her at singing, just at music in general. Why is she the famous one? Why is she the one with the record label and the Grammys and everything? This guy, I guarantee, is a better person than her, a better singer, a better artist, and I've never heard Mariah Carey. Like I said, if you guys want me to react to the original songs of all these songs that I'm watching him cover, let me know in the comments, because I need to be able to do a comparison. I want to know which one is better. Is the cover better than the original? Let me know. I need to know what you want. I want what do you want? What do you want? You want the cover only? You want the original song? What do you want? You tell me what you want, I give you what you want. Tell me, what do you want? Let's go. Oh. Did you hear what he did? I need. I can't do it, man. I can't do it, man. Jesus. but he keeps defying the laws of biology, bro. You know, I've really discovered like this reaction series of a cappella and singers on the channel has really exposed me to the um the super I want to say supernatural singing abilities of men. I never knew, bro. I always, before I did all this, Angelina Jordan, Amira, well, not even that, Dimash, Gabriel Henrique, I always thought men that can sing just do it with a bass voice, but like I'm starting to see that you can sing like a woman as a man, and it's not everyone that can do it. You need it's for it's not for everyone. Wow. When the mash did it, I thought it was fake. I won't lie to you. Before I discovered Gabriel Henrique, I was reacting to Dimash, and somewhere at the back of my mind, I thought, bro, this guy is too good to be true. Like, there's no way he's hitting all these notes. But then I'm seeing and I'm hearing Gabriel Henrique do the same things, and I believe him because everything he's doing here is live. He's just singing to the microphone, and it's in real time, whereas Dimash was performing songs that were already like music videos or whatever, and there's like some production going on in the background or whatever. So I always thought that, okay, maybe his voice is produced or whatever, but this is real. This is real. This is I want to hear that. I want to hear that falsetto. I don't know if you call that a falsetto or whatever, but I want to hear it again. I think it's before, but I don't want to go back anymore. Bro, his voice almost gave up there, bro. He sounded like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Jesus! I can't even attempt it, bro. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm always blown away by his performances. He's amazing. I think I'm getting a fatigue of good music and good performances from this guy. Have you ever gotten physically tired from something that is too good? I think that's what I'm experiencing. Because today, I think I have reacted to like 4 songs of his just today. And bro, each one, I don't even want to say like he keeps outperforming himself, because that insinuates that the previous one was not as good as the next one. He's hitting the same standard all the time. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Have a beautiful day, and peace.